Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, let's take a look at Tesla, Nvidia, AMD, SMCI, ARM, Broadcom, and Micron for the morning update. I'll provide an update on Intel as well because it had its earnings yesterday, and I did mention Intel yesterday a little bit more. But today we'll talk about that as well. Just first, let's go through Tesla because we are looking really beautiful and bullish. And as I said yesterday as well, $400 and above, you are looking at the bullish price action, and Tesla just did that. Unstoppable strength right now in Tesla is what we are witnessing. Nothing could stop Tesla. Even the bad earnings couldn't stop Tesla. Why so? Because it doesn't matter. The only time earnings matter is during the time earnings are happening, and what the gap up and gap down does to the price action is what all I care about. Anyways, so Tesla, let's get to the hourly interval. Again, we are overall bullish, and really nice breakout today as well. We held that very level of $400, broke even out of 200 hours moving average, thus taking out the previous last 2 days of supply zone as well. At this point, in the near term, may not happen today, but in the near term, technically it has opened up the doors to $430 area, 428 to 430. Let's get rid of that particular box. We don't need that one, the old one. And so yeah, that's the target, at least near term. And we are just bullish at this point. Any of the significant level below together with 200 hours moving average, as long as we stay above it, we are just bullish. So 406 above, we are just fine. And 4 hours interval, as if you have access to my tools, you already knew that direction turned bullish on this already yesterday. And let me show you real quick what do I mean by that. And that would be, here we go. So you can see that on my easy day and swing trading tool. Yesterday we had a bullish confirmation for the direction, and today we're seeing a continuation. So all looking great on Tesla. Yeah, we are just bullish, guys. 406 and 200 hours moving average above. Tesla is just fine. Tesla will remain bullish even for day trading. 5 minutes interval, let's get to that. And again, for the day trade as well, let's turn on the tools here real quick. And we had a bullish start to the day, and even any pullbacks that's been happening is just bullish. So nothing to worry about here. Well, just fine. 428 is the target now. 428 to 430 the next target, and then once we get above that as well, that opens up the doors again to $500 range. Tesla is just fine so far, as just the levels that I went over. Nvidia. All right, so with Nvidia, as I have been saying, that there's a likely more rebounds possible. Intraday, we may stay bullish, and 200 days moving averages above we stayed. Most importantly, yesterday I mentioned and talked about this very zone of 123 area. I mentioned that this very zone, as long as we stay above this zone today, it's a bullish day. Intraday continuation, we can see a rebound, and that's what we are getting, and thus giving us another higher low pivot as well. Nvidia, as long as today it can close above 124.68 there will be, and even yeah, that's the level I want to see it close above the today 124.64, and this rebound will still remain in the intraday uptrend. If we lose 124.68, some weakness is possible. It's a little bit selling off again, but is it something to worry about? Well, not quite so. Even near term, as we pretty much the level that I just gave you on the hourly interval, this is near term. As we stay above it, we are just fine. Technically, this is just a day trade support as well, right? So yeah, Nvidia technically is fine. Take it as a rebound, though I won't give it as, hey, we are swing bullish again. Not necessarily. At least intraday and day trades, yes, we are bouncing up and up in an uptrend as well. So all good there. All right. Taking a look at AMD. Now, guys, look, with AMD, the thing is that it all comes down to the earnings. All right. I'll provide my opinion over the weekend, and because earnings are next week. I do expect gap up or gap down on AMD, but I'll talk more about that from the lens of price action over the weekend. Let's take a look at the hourly interval. All right, so taking a look at the hourly interval, I would still give it that it's in an uptrend bullish structure. 118 and above is what I want to see it though close today, and definitely still reacting at 200 hours moving average at one of the significant levels as well. It's a good rebound though. For the day trade as well, that we are getting right at this one of the significant levels actually. So you can see we got a good rebound at the significant levels. And if you have my day trading tools, everything, we started the day bearish definitely, and now we are continuing up, rebounding green structure from here. So far so good. All right, so far so good. So that's AMD. Let's get to now SMCI. So SMCI, as I have said in the couple of previous videos, that it has a room to rebound due to the triple bottoms forming down there, and rebound though until $30, and that's what we are getting, this rebound. But it's not in an overall bullish structure intraday. Yes, it's bullish, but not overall bullish. ARM 150 above is what I mentioned in the last couple of videos. It has a room to continue higher, and we are just getting that. So yes, that's all what we have. 150 above, it was a bullish play, and that's what we are getting. Broadcom, so finally getting up above 220 area as well. Let's get to the hourly interval. So I provided you one blue box down there yesterday, and this is the zone. I mentioned that any pullback until then is just a pullback. Above this, we are still going to remain bullish, and from there we are just getting bought back up, and intraday we continue in an uptrend. Micron, so Micron is also just fine. Well, in the rebound, it's technically in the rebound, and as I gave you the blue box bottom, that it has a room to at least go 95 in this rebound that it's doing. And you can see we're finding support right at that blue box that I gave you, that as long as we stay above it, we are fine. And this, I already, just like SMCI structure was like triple bottom formed, we broke above the significant level, and that's why I mentioned that a rebound will continue on this to the uptrend right on the intraday. So pretty much, let me show you SMCI as well on the hourly interval real quick, because it's a very similar pattern that I told you guys. So pretty much the SMCI, also the rebound that I have been saying, that will come. And yeah, we're getting just that rebound. So anyways, just before wrapping up, let's take a look at another look at AMD, and then yeah, if we can close over 119 and 46 cents today, we are all good on AMD. And if we close below 117 and 90 cents today on AMD, problem, weakness. Earnings will define pretty much AMD now. Yeah. Nvidia also is seeing some sell-off pressure right now, or yeah, but again, watch these levels like 125 area, 124 and 66 cents to be precise, and then definitely if we want to stay above it today to continue this strength. All right, so at least from where we are right now, and just use the tools, easy day and swing trading tool on the real time. That will give you all the the real-time information and clarity you need. All right, guys, I'll see you in my next videos, and all other 30 plus bonus stocks coverage that I have been doing with the members. If you're interested in any of that and have access to my tools as well, check out the details in the description of this video. There are Patreon links, and that will provide you all the details that you need. All right, take care, guys. Bye. All right, one more thing. I didn't forget Intel. So I almost forgot, though. I have to say that. Anyway, so no, well, the way Intel is still, yes, it gapped up in the little bit in the post market, but after earnings, but it's just came back down. It didn't get above the blue box, that is $20.95 area. So yeah, no, it's not back in the game. Only if it gets above $20.95 area, then only I like to see it as again bullish. Otherwise, no, it's just yeah, it's done. All right, that was all, guys. All right, see you in the next videos. Bye.